If your iPhone keeps connecting and disconnecting from your Mac, here is how to fix it. In this quick video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone constantly disconnecting from Mac. If you connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac computer and it keeps disconnecting so you cannot create or transfer anything to your Mac like local backup or sync your files like your data or transfer something. So there is a quick and easy fix for this problem. So here as you see, my iPhone keeps connecting and disconnecting from my Mac. Because of this, you will not be able to back up your iOS device and also transfer any data from your iPhone to your Mac and vice versa. So how to fix this? It's pretty simple and easy. This is how to fix it. First, go ahead and open the terminal. You can find it in apps folder or just press command plus space and then type terminal. Here in the terminal, you need to type this: sudo space killall space -stop space uspd. Please make sure to type -stop in capital letters. So make sure it looks like this. Okay, now press enter. Now it will ask you to type your Mac password. When you type the password, it will not appear in the terminal. So go ahead and type it and then press enter. And that's it. Now the problem has been fixed. Now you should be able to connect your iOS device without any problem. So let's try it now. I will connect my iPhone, and as you can see, my device is now connected. No more connecting and disconnecting. I will open 3 tools to check this. And as you see, it works. Now you can back up or transfer anything you want. If you got the problem again, just make sure to do the same thing. So make sure to copy the command and save it anywhere you want for easy access later. You will find the commands below this video. So guys, this is our quick video for today. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.